Hey guys, so today we're making my garlic flu tonic, and our ingredients are going to be half of yellow onion, a full lemon, 5 bulbs of garlic, but I got elephant garlic because I find that it's a little sweeter. I still get the benefits of the garlic without walking around all day smelling like garlic. And this is the size of 1, so I think this would satisfy for 5. And an inch of ginger. You can use ginger powder if you have ginger powder. I have ginger powder, but I prefer the fresh ginger. I'm gonna grind everything up in my grinder and fill it up to 350 mLs of apple cider vinegar. As you can see, this is some powerful stuff. Let's get started. Hey guys, this is a recipe that you can use during this COVID-19 pandemic. So I like this one because it can be stored and I don't have to actually come home and make it. So, and I love to give it to the kids when they seem as if they're getting sick. So I'm pretty much eyeballing this. That may be more than an inch, but it'll work. Smells like a good recipe. So guys, I decided to first transfer this into a mason jar and then I'll transfer it into this. And I really wanted to keep it in this because of the tint. It helps it to stay fresh longer, but it's just a little easier for me to pour it into the mason jar first, add the apple cider vinegar, and then transfer it into the medicine bottle. This is not a drink for taste. This is a drink for boosting the immune system. So this is like a shot that you just take real quick and keep it moving, because with these ingredients, you already know this is not going to be a pleasurable drink. But the benefit, once again, outweighs the taste. I'm not sure if I showed you guys what apple cider vinegar I use. Brags with the mother. Wow. Look how delicious that is. I'm gonna save the lemon juice until I transfer it into the mason jar. So now I will top it off with a little more, but I still have to add my lemon juice. This is actually a orange squeezer. Could not find my lemon squeezer, but it does the job. Alrighty. Wow, we're right there. How did I gauge that? 350. Of course, I will leave the recipe. This is something that I retrieved offline and I've been doing it for a couple of years now. And I must say that as a pharmacist, I cannot tell you not to get a flu shot. I can tell you though that I have never had the flu and I have never had the flu shot. I do these types of drinks when I'm feeling sick. Also a detox bath. A detox bath is also amazing to remove toxins from the body, especially if you're feeling a little sick. So in conjunction with this, one of these tonics and a detox bath and lots of rest, I pretty much rarely get sick. I used to suffer from tonsillitis, but I started taking apple cider vinegar for weight loss purposes. And once I start taking a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, I no longer suffered from recurrent tonsillitis. I'm gonna do a video on apple cider vinegar. It's such an amazing antimicrobial. It's an awesome probiotic. It's the acidic acid that's inside of it that holds all the properties to it. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Until next time, stay healthy.
Thank you for joining me. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on Instagram at Getting Healthy with Dr. T.